Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use your GNC Shaker cup the only way for perfect results every time. First, always add your liquid, like water or milk, to the shaker cup. A good starting point is usually around 6 to 8 ounces. Next, carefully measure your supplement powder using the scoop provided. Then, gently pour the powder into the liquid, making sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the cup. This order helps prevent clumping and ensures a smoother mix from the start. Now that your ingredients are in, it's time to mix. First, securely fasten the lid and make sure the cap is tightly closed to avoid any spills. Then, shake the cup vigorously for about 15 to 30 seconds. Use a strong up and down motion to ensure everything is thoroughly combined. The mixing ball or grid inside your GNC shaker is designed to break up any powder clumps, giving you a perfectly smooth and enjoyable drink. After shaking, carefully open the cap and take a quick look inside. Check for any undissolved powder or clumps that might still be present. If you notice any, simply resecure the lid and give it another good shake for about 10 to 15 seconds until it's completely smooth. For the best taste and to maximize the benefits of your supplement, it's always recommended to consume your freshly mixed drink immediately. Enjoy your perfectly blended beverage. Proper cleaning is essential to keep your GNC shaker in top condition. Immediately after you've finished your drink, rinse the cup thoroughly with warm water. This helps prevent any residue from drying and sticking. For a more thorough clean, use a bottle brush with a small amount of dish soap to scrub all components. Finally, allow all parts to air dry completely before reassembling or storing them. This prevents odors and keeps your shaker fresh for next time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.